in my channel. We are playing with my BFF, Ash. Say hi.
Hi.
Say it again because they heard that.
Hi, guys.
Okay, so wait a minute, guys. We're gonna do. Wait.
We're doing a role play, an RP.
Yep. And look at us. We're dancing. How do you do it faster?
Dance till you're dead.
Oh dear. Okay. So yeah. I think I'm the mom, right? Should I be the mom? Yeah, I want to be the mom. I love kids. Yeah. So I think I should be the mom. So yeah, and this is part 1. We're doing a part 2. So if you want to watch part 2, go subscribe and like the like button. So yeah.
We'll give you part 2 if you subscribe.
Oh yeah, and I'll give you a fly potion and adopt me too.
Let's try getting this vid to at least
like 100 subscribers. Not like 100, but like I need some
250 subscribers.
Yeah, and I will give you everything I have.
What?
I will give you everything I have. And
no, you're lying. You love your stuff. You're not actually.
Well, and adopt me because I'm not playing adopt me anymore. Well, I am sometimes, but like yeah.
Adopt stuff?
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna give you everything I have in adopt me, and it's a lot. So yeah, you should like it. So yeah. So should we start with this video already? Because we're wasting time.
Let's start with the video. Let's go on.
Yeah, first when I do my TikTok dance. Tick, 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 tack.
Okay, you just flip and pause the video.
Yeah, because we're not wasting time. Well, it's a part 2, so yeah. Okay, we're done doing our TikToks. Well, yeah, go check all my TikToks. So, yeah, but it's in private, so, but you can, like, you know, subscribe.
Okay, just get on with
yeah, let's just get on the video. So, now, I'm just gonna pause it because we're gonna teleport somewhere, okay? Okay, this is our house and it's amazing. Okay, so let's start the role play. Should we? Yeah, I think we should start the role play, right?
Okay, let me just.
Yeah, me too, because I'm not having wings. Humans don't have wings. Yep, this is me. This is me, and guys, I may give you one of these things if you give me some subscribers too. So yeah, I will give you one of these things if you don't have them.
Are you still recording?
Yep, I'm still recording. Oops, I couldn't. You couldn't see that, but this is all I have. But I have a lot of things, so I can trade some things to you if I get a lot of subscribers and my shoes. One of them.
We'll try our best to.
And these. But I don't have mermaid tails because, yeah, I don't really like them. But whatever. So we're going back to my face. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, we're starting now, right? Are we? Yeah, we're starting. So let's start.
Can you just pause the video?
So guys, we're gonna start it. Sweetheart, where are you?
I'm sleeping.
Bro, it's time for movie. Not sleeping.
No.
Okay then.
I want to stay in bed. Leave me alone.
Okay then. If you ask for.
What?
If you ask for. Chancla! Está aquí! Chancla! Chancla!
Oh, no,
Chancla! 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 Oh, you know what? Why am I running away from her? I should give her the chancla! Really good chancla! Chancla, where's the chancla?
Ala chancla.
Now I got my chancla. Oh yes, I have my chancla. It's right here. I'm gonna burn her freaking. Yeah, I'm actually gonna burn you. I'm not lying. Where are you, sweetheart? It's time to bed, okay?
I'm not telling you.
It's bedtime, I said.
Oh, I want to sleep.
Okay, let's go to bed. Let's go to your bed. Go to your bed. Go to your bed.
I'm going. These stairs are so hard.
You were downstairs the whole time. I was downstairs the whole time, too. Hi, sweetheart.
Those stairs make me dizzy.
I know, right? Now go to sleep. Okay. Night.
What the hell? Take this off me.
Okay. Yeah. That's what you get to not watch a movie.
I just want to go to sleep, for God's sake.
Fine. Let me take
it off, it burns.
Oh. What? Oh, it burns. It just burns. Okay, then. Oh, yes. And
Is it morning yet? What the hell are you doing to my bed, Mom?
sorry. Okay, let me take all these things off.
If you don't take these things, I'm going to your bedroom.
Okay, then. You do that? Okay, then. You know when you... So you get... Go burn your face off.
That's it. I'm not sleeping there. I'm sleeping here.
You can't even go there because the fire's on your face. How can you sleep? Oh. You really think it's fine? Okay, then. Where... You're still in... Wait, what? It doesn't let... The hell? Where are you? The hell? Where are you?
You'll never find me.
Okay, sweetheart, it's morning. Go downstairs for breakfast.
Okay.
I'm gonna make you breakfast. And it's a smoothie.
Can I have a chocolate bar?
No, it's a smoothie. We're making smoothie. What kind of smoothie you want?
Smoothies every single day.
No, tomorrow you get
I'll get the orange cream.
Orange cream. Okay. Okay. A banana? Okay. I thought you hate banana, but whatever. An orange. Good. You make it? I make it. I already have a smoothie on my face, so I don't need smoothies. This one is really good because it has candy.
Oh my gosh. Are they still building the house next door?
Yes. Sorry.
That's boring.
I know, right?
I hate the new house built. Can I have a smoothie?
Sure, I'm making it. I'm making it. Okay, I'm making your juice, okay? Or your smoothie, I mean. You stop that noise. It's annoying me.
I'm sorry, I can't. My brother's showering.
Oh, okay. What the heck? It's weird shower.
That's because the tube goes through my room. So every single day I need to hear this.
Oh, okay, for you. Okay, so I made you it. Who wants it?
If you don't find it, it's in your backpack.
Okay. So I'm looking for what he wanted. What the heck? Where is it?
The backpack. Here. See? Look at this.
Oh, yeah?
There.
Oh, sorry. My backpack was so full. Oh, my backpack. Okay.
Okay, get it out of my food.
Yeah!
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm just going to backpack and get my orange cream.
When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I hit. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna make lunch, okay?
What?
I'm gonna make lunch, okay?
But this is breakfast.
I know, for lunch. I'm just making it because I don't want to make it.
I'm gonna go dress up, Mom.
Yes, for school.
When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my head. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Sweetheart,
What?
it's time for getting in the pool.
What do you say?
It's time to get in the pool.
Oh my gosh, they took off the decorations.
What decoration?
They took off the decorations. Oh my gosh, they turned it back to normal. No, they turned it back to normal.
What are you talking about?
What?
What are you talking about?
They took off the decorations.
What decoration?